Can forget this when Hurricane Irma hit our area. That shows just how intense flooding on River Street can be. River Street's location near the water means during hurricanes or tropical storms, it can see flooding from storm surges. WJCL 22 News' Lydia Blackstone joins us now live.
And Lydia, the city has declared a state of emergency. You talk to merchants and they're ready to pivot.
Yeah, that's right, Greg. Shannon, you know, it kind of feels like business is normal here tonight, but tomorrow some are closing, some are not closing, putting out sandbags, but they're all kind of just playing it by ear to see how the storm goes. As for that video, let's look back at that video from 2017. This is some of the flooding that we saw here on River Street. A car just completely submerged right here. You can see that there. As for prep for this storm, the Georgia Queen is shutting down operations tomorrow. However, Ruth McNally at the Georgia Queen says she's coming to work tomorrow still.
The last one I saw, it was not really a storm at all. It was Ian, Hurricane Ian, and we still came to work even though the cruises were canceled.
Something important for people here and businesses here on River Street to note is the time that the storm hits. Of course, this water right here at high tide is going to be a lot higher. There's going to be a lot more flooding impacts if it does hit at high tide. But we're going to keep you updated here at WJCL with all of those storm timings and all the different situations around Georgia and South Carolina. On River Street, Lydia Blackstone, WJCL 22 News.
Lydia, thanks so much for that live report there along River Street.